To write notes on a Samsung S25, you can use the Samsung Notes application, which is built in and easy to use. Here is how. So you have to just open your app drawer and you have to search for Notes application. If you don't have this application, you can simply go into Google Play Store and download it for free. Now, when you open it, you can simply tap the plus in the right bottom corner or this pencil icon. And as you can see now, just wait a little bit, you can find some AI sum up. So we have to click start, click OK. And as you can see, when we are here, you can tap right here and add text. You can also add photos, create voice recordings, or even you can use the S Pen if you have a Galaxy S Pen compatible device, and we can draw or write by hand. So if I'm gonna input this text right here, and I can even turn on AI to add some suggestions. I have to accept all of these things. There we go. I can get summarize, spelling, check spelling and grammar. I can translate. I can automatic format into headers and bullets. There we go. So there's actually a lot of things that you can adjust here. You can change text position. You can use bold font and other things. You can even change, foreground color. And if you want to save, you can just click here and you can tap to save as a file. Take a look, just walk around and get used to all of the settings. Here you can save your note as PDF file, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, text file, image file, whatever you want.